I like to party on the weekends, throw some back with my friends. Got a little money, hope we make it through the times I'm with my lady. She's been.
Alright, we got a very short time here in Palau, so we really missed going to the Albaob. So we're gonna take my son. I've been teaching him how to snorkel, and we're gonna see if we can catch some masa. I want him to be the youngest spear diver in Palau, in the world. So we're gonna teach him today.
Going fishing for a reason, and we got this pole here from some videos. And we're just going to use it for a holiday season, and there's a competition doing this. And I'm going to be at me, and all of my friends are just avoid me. And we're going to just go with that truck and just season time here. But there's a lot of stuff here. We're here on this boat has this fishing poles. Here where we have this wheel gun. So this boat has a lot of things to respond. And we have the truck, and we just have to go from there. And they just have to go and just be over here and don't eat kites. Thanks. Mahalo.
Driving the boat, Oma?
Yeah, but mahalo.
Okay, see you when you come back. Bring the biggest fish, Oma.
Okay, I will if you go on walk on in. Mahalo.
I'll pack you a bowl. You can hold the remote control. If this ever gets old, we can grab a bottle and go for a stroll. 'Cause I'll take a sip or two, and I'll take two more. 'Cause I really like to party on the weekends, throw some back with my friends. Got a little money, hope we make it through the times I'm with my lady. She's been talking crazy, asking where the hell have I been. The sun came up on me again. The sun came up on me, and I take a sip or two, and I take two more. 'Cause I really like to party on the weekends, throw some back with my friends. Got a little money, hope we make it through the times I'm with my lady. She's been talking crazy, asking where the hell have I been. The sun came up on me again.
Stand next to daddy. Stand next to daddy. No, you're the actor, okay? No, baby. No, baby. You no, later. First you talk, yeah? Okay, my daddy's getting ready for spear fishing. Omak, you gonna try spear fishing?
Yeah.
And what else you gonna do? Omak, are you gonna do your fishing show today?
Yeah, too.
Are you gonna compete with Uncle Yandy?
Sit down.
Why?
Because your food is gonna fall into the water. Sit down and eat. Sit down.
What?
Okay, Uncle Yandy, go! Okay, Uncle Yandy. Okay. Hi, Tamara. Hi.
There's a big fin like this. You guys want it?
Okay, look. Oh,
Yeah, but it's deep. I cannot go down with you.
I'll
Need
come.
someone to hold this while I go down.
I'll come. Yeah.
Get off and move it to the...
Okay, look.
Here, I brought a clamp.
Chola, let him talk. Let Omakkai.
Watch, that's Papa. You put the shell down there? Throw it in.
Omak, better watch. Watch.
Are you crazy? Oigan, tumalon. Saan?
Omakkai, what did you get?
Very sharp. This is sharp. Okay, bite it. You have to bite it. Okay,
Omak, look
show
here.
you. I show you. Try it. It's really good. Yeah. Chew it. Bite it. Chew it. No, it's good.
It's good, Omak. Omak, let me see your catch. Chola, let him hold his catch.
Here. Here, take. Let me fix your mask. Take this off.
Omak, okay. Show me, Omak. Show me your catch. Yoo-hoo. Omak, show everybody your catch, Omak. Oh. Omak, no more. It's gone. You got it? Okay, Omak, show everybody.
Daddy, he just ran away. He died already.
Yeah, we're gonna just cut in real fast and then you guys ready to eat lunch? Man, I was trying to bring this so we can eat this with the lunch. Took me a while to find it.
Omakkai, let me see. What color of Omak, what color? Okay, show everybody, Omak. Omak, show everybody.
Eyes, so you can swim to me. And
Where's the fish?
this fish is like has a tail. The fish is just a squeeze it. Go on, Daddy. Daddy. Daddy says,
Yeah.
I'm ready.
Daddy gonna make sashimi. Jajimi. Daddy gonna make jajimi.
Oh, too bad.
Ew.
Well, you got a lot of different. There's this kind of size out there. Look at the deeper end. Let's just eat this sardine.
How many did you miss? How many did you miss?
None. I shot twice and picked up food in. Enough just to, you guys, I was just trying to get something to add to our lunch and then you guys
No, we'll join you. Omak, you gonna join Daddy? Oh.
Well, this on the mat.
Okay.
Hey, give me the other fish so I can clean it and cut it. Sorry.
Omak, are you having fun? Omak?
Give me the fish
Omak?
so I can clean it.
Omak, are you having fun, Omak?
Please.
Are you having fun?
And
I tied your
this
belt
fish
around me.
this fish was things. Well, they now
Did you kill the
look
fish?
at the stars. Look at in the mouth. And just have a
Are you
Guys,
gonna...
catch. Woohoo! You want to go, Andy? Andy. We just have to wash them first.
Uncle Yandy gonna make jajimi. Uncle Yandy gonna make jajimi.
Daddy, I'm cracking his eyes. I'm cracking the fish's eyes. Look at the blood.
Oh, here, give me the fish so we can take the.
Yes,
Gotta clean it.
make her to do this to the fish's eyes.
Eh, Uncle Baste, Mama Sapiola. Okay, wait.
So sesame is we're making sesame with the fish and the fish. So we just had this book for a few weeks, but now we have it. Aloha.
Aloha? Okay, can we see it? Can you show us, Amma? Can you show us?
It's over there.
Okay, let's go see.
Oh, there's the fish in the boat. Okay.
Tied it in and it.
And then we go here. Mommy, my bubble. Look at this, my bubble. I put chocolate.
Okay, Omak, you're missing out. Pabastek a moment.
In the blue basket.
Everybody's prepared. I assume that you've done this and that.
Oh, you're the one that rinsed the engine yesterday.
Yeah, but you didn't prepare to go because you know we know when we're ready to go, we run it one more time before we go.
Let's go dining with Kyola in the Rock Islands. Kalandi. Let's party on the weekend.
If you went a little bit further down, brand new.
Hey, what?
If you went around the
Connect so fresh. Oh, cheers, cheers, cheers. Kalandi. Kyola, you have to narrate. Oh wow, so fresh. Daddy gonna have a gout. Omakkai.
I have a question today.
Yeah? What did you get?
We talked to first at a class.
And
Good idea.
who's winning the competition?
Yeah, sure, competition. So we got
Where's that wheel?
May uncle. Okay, Mommy Summer, you should try. So fresh. So fresh. How about you, Omak? Did you try? Daddy's catch? Did you try?
What the hell?
You get any fish?
Yeah, we got the fish wheel. We have 2 fish.
Okay. And what else?
And we got some fish wheel. And we got some rock. And we got
Okay.
I was scuba diving.
You were scuba diving? Wow, I didn't see you scuba diving.
Yeah.
Mommy, did you see Omak scuba diving? Where did you rent your gear? Show us, Omak. Show us, where were you scuba diving? Where? Show us the spot.
Mimi, if you're a real fisherman, you don't ever leave home without the gingham, the chili pepper, and the soy sauce because you're guaranteed to catch if you're a fisherman.
Okay, can you show us what you got, Killer? Okay, show us.
We got some yam and malama.
And we got fish and water. And we get stock.
In there. You know who taught me this?
Yeah.
You know who taught me this, Oma? My daddy. My daddy taught me this. And now I'm gonna teach you how.
Okay, Omak. Woohoo! go dining with Keola at Rock Island. Lego, 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 Lego.
And then when you finish, because you have to give it to someone who's the one that's responsible for you to know how to do this. So you bring it to the guy that is the one that's responsible that teach you all of this. And then next you have to bring it to
You're better, huh?
my better half. And then you have to remember that you're the oldest brother, so you gotta take care of baby brother. That's my baby brother's rock star.
Mr. Famous. Party on the weekend.
Oh, two hands. So, and then you gotta
Feed the camera woman.
and then you gotta give the camera woman. But you say, psych!
Uncle Basta, did you see that?
I'm
gonna get the best part.
Daddy, pass it me.
Huh?
How about Omakkai? Thank you. Thank you, Sir Kiolang. Tastes good, Ahmad. Thank you for your catch, Oma. You're the best fisherman.
We use Grandpa Tongol's boat, just like this one, but it's small. And it was raining at night, really raining, and then Daddy caught one. I was like 7 years old. Yep, and that's when I fell in love with fishing Palauan. This is the other half of you, so you're gonna love Palauan. This is your country too, right? You have a country?
Come on, go. All set?
All set?
Yeah, okay, now bring it up. Bring it up and you're going to go get it.
Go until the end.
Okay, just hold it up. Don't tie it until I tell you. I'm going to go up a little bit more, okay?
All set?
Go Uncle Yandy. Go Uncle Yandy, you can do it. Go Uncle Yandy, you can
Go,
do it.
Uncle Yandy!
You can do it.
Go, Uncle Yandy! Go, Uncle Yandy! Go, Uncle Yandy! Go, Uncle Yandy! Uncle Yandy! Uncle Yandy! Uncle Yandy!
You can do it. You can do it.
Okay,
You can do this.
drop
You
it.
can do this. You can do this. Go, go, go!
Drop it.
Go! Go! Let's go it.
Now hold it until you know the hook.
Omakkai, next.
Release it, release it.
Next one?
Release it.
Omakkai, next time it's gonna be your turn. It's gonna be your turn next.
Hold, hold. Okay, catch it now? Okay, now tie it.
Omakkai. Louder. Omakkai,
You know how to
louder.
do it?
Yes.
Okay, that's how it is.
Okay, we can have a
Holding
fishing
that
show.
right? Very good. Okay.
Omakkai, fishing show. Omakkai, get all fishing pole.
Okay.
Okay, let's get a fishing pole.
Okay, that's it.
Okay, let's just catch a fish.
Now let's get some fish.
Get the fish, everyone! Bait! 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 Everyone, yeah, bait, Daddy?
And this is Omakkai fishing show.
Woohoo!
Omakkai? Omakkai? Cameron, tell him to do the...
Don't worry, I got your
You are
phone.
watching Omakkai fishing show.
That was mine. That's
Wow.
that was mine.
Amy wants me to say something.
You are watching.
Oh, guys, hey, guys, check us out here. Wait, this shadow is really fun. I can't just be in the but it could be in the bed. Where I'm just setting up that's setting up. So it's just
Mahal. You are watching Omakkai. Wow.
Okay.
Go, Omak, go. Omak with the leg, go.
I forgot that.
Omak, the legs. Please, the legs. Go. Go, go, go. Show it to me. Omakkai, wait. Daddy's not ready. Omak, go, go, go. Show me. Show me what you got, Omak.
Okay, Kalani. Go, go, go. No, put your hand over here. Put your hand over here. Okay, go. 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 Yeah.
Good job. Really?
Reel it, reel it, reel it.
Oh, 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 oh. Reel it,
Go,
reel it.
go, go. Reel it harder.
Harder, Omak.
Go, go, go. Reel it, reel it. Pull. Pull, son. All right.
Wow, Omak.
oh my god.
Oh my God.
Okay, sir. Yola, here, take his video.
Okay.
Okay,
Here,
Omakkai.
hold your fish in a minute. Hold your fish.
Okay. You're the first one, Omak.
Okay.
I think you
That
can.
one ang kayani.
Don't tease up for you.
Omak, you think you're gonna get the first prize? Omak? You're gonna bring home the
Say,
first
"Wow,
prize.
this is my dinner.
Look at the camera when you say that, Omak. Thank you.
Okay, good job, everyone. Okay, first one.
Yep.
First thing I got it.
Sam, can you check if it's recording?
Let me get the gun.
Okay.
You did a hook gun? Yeah, you want to pass me a cup with a cooler? Here, I got this whole bunch of hooks there.
Omak, let me see your catch again.
I have a lot of
Ay!
I have a lot of it. Get on? Yeah. I have a lot of it. So
Hold it tight, baby. Okay. Omak, go Omakkai. Good, good. Harap, harap, Omak. Wow, that's a big one, Omak. Oh. Well, Uncle Yandy is also bring. Uncle Yandy. Same kind, Uncle Yandy.
any kind of fish.
Same kind.
That's the same one, Kayani. You got it.
You got same one, come on. Okay, Omak, how many now you got? Omak,
Oh my God, cool.
got two.
But you let it go.
Gotcha.
Oh, we don't eat that kind of fish.
That's a good for barbecue.
What did you catch, Imelda?
We got so many fish, but this is a shark.
Okay.
You want to take pictures?
These kind of fish are old.
Alright, this is our
Just
fourth
stick
day
it in
here in
the-
Palau,
They
and
get here to drive to Omakkai.
They caught us.
Omakkai.
is this your partner that cut this one?
Yeah, we just.
This one is, be careful because this one's good.
Give me my musubi.
Okay, so we caught one of these. Watch out, this one is.
Got one of these.
Yeah, I got one of these, and
This
talk
is
to the camera.
This was our fourth day, so we had this fish. So
Who caught it?
It's still alive.
Yeah.
I like Wait.
Okay, don't stick the fish.
Yes.
You have to be respectful of the fish.
Why?
Okay. Oh. You just wiped it off your shorts.
Okay, and what's the title of this, Omak? Let's go fishing. Hey, what are you eating, Tulik?
The fish is what
Yeah, the fish is died, but it's still alive. Still alive and you know, just
when you got the fish,
I think it's gonna quick enough.
two people sitting over there. This is the best one.
You just have to smash it up into pieces. So we just have to, smash it up. Just enjoy this procedure.
No, 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 no! Oh, look, look, look. I want to eat that fish. That's how we survive.
No, he needs to be fed in the water.
You guys in Hawaii probably, eat
No.
cow, carabao,
We don't eat a cow. Ooh.
and carabao,
No, we don't.
water buffalo.
Omak,
We don't eat a wild buffalo.
Omak, is this too big for you? You like the small fish?
Yeah.
Also,
No, no, no! You
Why?
cannot do that.
Why? He needs to be clean in the water.
No,
His family needs him.
no, we eat that one.
No, we don't.
You don't. Oh.
Don't.
oh, he has a family, Omak?
Yeah, he does.
Maybe he's a mother, yeah? And the babies
No, he's
are
a
looking
baby.
for- Oh, he's a baby.
Yeah.
So you have to release him?
Yeah, he's a baby. Daddy, can I cut the fish?
Okay, Omak, come. Daddy is making sashimi.
Can I like the fish? Can I cut the fish?
Omak, I thought you're gonna release that, Omak.
Daddy, just tie him and then we just release him down to the sink and then Sean's gonna eat him. Are we giving that to sharks? Huh? Okay, I'll release it. I saw I cut it. Then Blood.
That my old mommy is bringing number 4.
It's stuck. There you go.
Okay, let's take a video of mommy. Mommy camera. Wow, okay, that's a fish. Go, mommy.
Oh, wow, that's a big one.
Wow,
Bring it to
big
me.
eye,
Just-
big
yeah.
eye, big
Bring
eye.
it to me. Just hand it over. Just turn around.
So that's the same one that we caught. That's the same one.
Oh, camera, let me take your picture.
Daddy, look at the blood that fish is. Daddy, look at the blood.
Good.
Daddy, look at the blood of the fishes. Daddy, look at the blood of the fishes.
Use the bucket for the...
Yeah, here's the bucket. Oh, Mac, get mommy's.
Daddy, can I cut it? Are you going to cut it now?
Why you don't have a bigger fish? A bigger knife? Where's the bigger knife? Big knife.
Daddy, don't cut into my
In the
things.
kitchen. Julie cannot take care of it. So I'm telling you guys.
Can I go now again?
Oh, no. That's our lunch.
Oh, it's not.
Oma, that's our lunch, Oma.
It's not.
You need it back. You need
That's
it
not
back in.
yet.
You need it back in.
Daddy,
I did. There's
are we
all
going to feed it to sharks, Daddy?
Yeah.
We're going
Okay,
to
now
feed
you can give that one.
Right.
Throw away.
so cute.
Okay, I thought you wanted. Dan, are you tuna or beef?
Kaya surprise.
Are you surprise? Are you surprise? Surprise like
Your camera is on the edge of the...
Kiola, is this
Daddy,
what
we
episode?
have some water for you to fish.
This is episode 8.
We just had an episode of Omakkai.
Okay, this is
Sweet lemon.
Get
okay.
away from me because I have the mic.
Okay, that is squeezing the lemon. And what kind of fish is this, Oma? Is this whose catches that? That's the biggest fish, right?
Squeeze it into my hand. Good job.
This is Let's Go Fishing show. Or this is Let's Go Fishing
we
with
do it?
Omakkai. Yep.
Don't show the camera this.
Do we have to do it all of it?
No, it's just... Good job. Hey, good job, son.
What are you making, Omakkai? Okay, can you show it to us?
That's what it does. Just
Yes. Just like this.
Just a little bit. Little bit. Little bit. Okay. No, it's spicy. You see this? It's spicy.
Daddy, can you take this out?
Okay, put a little bit more soy sauce. Little bit. Okay, go. Okay.
Daddy, can you get this fishing thing out?
Look, it's the whole thing is hot.
Where's this fishing, Daddy?
Right here. More soy sauce. Little bit. A little bit more. Okay. That's enough. Okay. Finish.
No, okay.
Daddy,
Do you want to try it, Oma?
Spicy.
Daddy, I'm gonna make another one.
Pick another one.
Yeah,
We have to catch a big fish first.
No, we got fish ready.
This is my number 5 catch. Number 5, yeah. Okay, Omakkai, start praying, baby.
Go, Daddy.
Right.
No, Daddy, let's go.
Okay, okay, go.
Thank you, Omakkai. Okay.
Okay, what do we get? Mami Tamra. Sige. Water food. That's
Yeah,
lechon
that's the
kawali.
breadfruit.
That's breadfruit.
Yeah.
And then it's tilapia.
I put the tilapia.
Yeah, and this is.
That's Omakkai's. Mami Tamra's food.
Oh, yours is on the cheaper.
It is.
Okay, go ahead. Give Uncle Yandy the beef curry.
Maybe I put this one, sashimi.
Look at Omakkai. I like his lunch.
Over here.
That's Mami Tamra's. Eating her favorite. Ako Kiala, that's LCD. Soy sauce and what else?
Fish.
Okay. And about this one.
Hot dog.
Hot pepper. Okay. That's Uncle Yandy.
Not spicy.
How's your tilapia? And this one, Omak, what's this?
This is your fish.
Oh, tilapia.
Tapia. Tilapia.
Ako basta. Kabo mas rakasan mo.
I'm eating badu, diptal. Baktian nga na. Dala mul na. Bidawlong. Berdilo.
That's ulong.
Udang.
Ulong, Omak.
Udang.
Ipon na dilo.
Udang. Udang.
Ulang.
Mimi,
Yeah.
you know Miles?
No.
Why is this the star? Mommy, why is this the star? You met it before.
Where? In Hawaii?
Whoever loses this tournament will be sitting on
Time out.
for 30 minutes.
I think Mommy's gonna not do it.
Very loyal to his mommy. The tilapia is good. I think
You make the big smell.
Okay, folks. Like I said, this is a very special fishing derby. A very exclusive fishing derby. By invite only. You cannot pay your way onto this. With us, we have a veteran fisherman, Alfonso Bonch Diaz, aka the Pro. We have from the Marshall Islands, future dictator, and the lady with 20,000 pairs of shoes. Oh, Excuse me, this is her sister. And right there, Superstar, as you can see, has a very, very unique method of fishing. And I do believe they call it relaxed fishing. Now here we await the arrival of the next fish. Because at the moment they're just feeding them. You know, in order to entice the fish, you have to give them some snacks and the promise of a meal. But little do they know that they're the meal. And we'll be right back with the next action. Now, like I was mentioning earlier, we have a guest on board who has a very unorthodox type of fishing. He reeled it in. And I have to note that that's the first time I've seen anyone laying down reeling in a fish. So we exclude skill as a part of fishing and just go by straight luck. Okay, over and
Chola, what is that?
I sell this for $250 to
Yeah, it's just
Mr. Ching Shao. Ching Shao Fu. Yeah. Here, give me your hand. I'm gonna put it on your hand.
Look at the camera, Omakkai.
It's heavy.
Mark.
Look, mommy.
Wow.
So can you eat that?
Is it soft?
It's really soft underneath. How do you eat that? This? Yeah. They just dry it and then they reconstitute it in a soup. What is that? Sea cucumber? Yeah. It's really soft.
It's like little legs.
It's I don't know what it's like carpet. It feels like carpet. Oh, it feels like a chamois. Microfiber chamois.
But then, how do you make it?
Just cut it.
How do you make it? Make it. How do you make it?
Alright, this is the time too, right here. So the fish start biting again.
That's it.
Okay, throw it in the water. Say bye, Mr. Sea Cucumber. Bye. Oh, good job. Now jump in the water.
Why?
So you can swim.
No. Too deep.
It's not too deep.
It is.
You float on the top, you're not diving down. Yeah? You're not gonna hold on, you're just gonna swim and float. We have your thing right there. You wanna swim at the rock island?
Yeah, because
It's better. You say Albao. Albao. Yes.
Let's go catch one of a big
If anyone needs a anchor recovery service, call 775 Keola.
Yeah, Kiolo 775. Wait.
Right.
Woo! Omakkai fishing show.
Right here, yeah.
Omakkai fishing show.
We just have my dad.
Oma, one more. Oma, with your hand.
Just made Omakkai fishing show.
Louder.
We just have to be Omakkai fishing show.
All right, folks.
Oh wait, folks.
The score at the Diaz Fishing Derby is 12, 12, 13. We have the elusive number 13, Kalandi in the lead with 13 fish, Mimi with 12,
and Team Tamara with 12.
And what are you?
We are looking to prevent Mimi from doing the sweep, from catching the biggest and the most.
And Daddy for getting the biggest crab.
Alright, so next time you see Mimi with the fish on her line, you cut it.
Yeah. And I'll just we go up and just like it, and then the shark will eat it.
Got it. Yola, you got my spot only. That's not fair. That's been horrible. Like Omakkai, the lucky charm of your daddy.
The knife is underneath your feet. Okay, I'll make it fair. I'll stop fishing right now. Oh, never mind. Let me call one.
What did
Oh. Okay, I'll make it.
Okay, that's Mimi's number 15. 15.
That's the last one.
Okay.
Put it under the baby.
Hey, kakita mo tag-cloud ya.
Very good.
Don't put it under the baby.
Yeah, yeah.
That's the biggest one.
The biggest one is
But
Tamara today.
But that one is not counted. That's what Tamara said.
Hey, hold it for the picture.
Tamara's got the
Okay, Tamara, the video.
Can you see?
Oh, next time.
Okay, go.
Okay.
Put in the bucket and bring here.
Okay, Omakkai, say.
Don't go under the
Omak,
bucket.
Omak, you are watching? Oh, call mommy. Call mommy and her catch.
Where's the baby? Where's the baby? Baby.
Mommy's very lucky.
It's not, that fish right over there can bite it.
What is that? Oh. Holy moly. Holy moly. Oh.
Okay, just go.
That was just a big
Okay, that's
salmon fish.
Mommy Tamara's catch. Yoo-hoo! The biggest. The biggest today.
Put it in the bucket. Just let go, Daddy. Let's go.
Must have
Okay.
been pulling your line out.
Daddy.
Give me a workout.
Trying really hard to keep her composure. I just saw her like, she was like, I was like, scream, girl. She's like,
Hold your fish.
Okay.
oh, you see how it changed?
Omak, you got stand next to mommy. Go sit next to mommy. Okay.
Oh,
Sideways, yeah, sideways is good. Yeah. Alright. So So she's the winner today for the biggest one. Yesterday was Imelda, today is
And I scooped the net too.
Tamra. I don't know why all the ladies got the biggest fish, but that's up to Almighty. But today, the second day of this derby, Keola came in first, and then Kelanti came in second, and Imelda came in third.
Hey, we're tied, 15-15.
And yesterday was Kelanti first, Imelda the biggest one, and Keola second, and Imelda's third. So that's the standing. It's $20 first place, second place $10, third place is $5. So who's going to get the most? I think it's going to be like Tamara's team.
Hey, we still have a day 3, right?
This is Omakkai fishing show. Omak, look. This is Omakkai. Omak, go. This is Omakkai. Louder.
This is okay fishing show this last time. We got fish, so we just have Daddy!
Tell Omak what it is. Those are sardines. Hey. Oh man, look at those fish. Come on, let's just try. Let me try my lure.
Go, Daddy.
Oh, I like to party on the weekends, throw some back with my friends. Got a little money, hope we make it through the times I'm with my lady. She's been talking crazy, asking where the hell have I been. The sun came up on me again. Punch out time and I take a look around. It's going down. This clock could take forever. Got my bags, I don't need to go back home. My baby grabbed my phone and the whiskey chilling in the freezer. 'Cause I take a sip or two and I take 2 more. 'Cause I really like to party on the weekends, throw some back with my friends. Got a little money, hope we make it through the times I'm with my lady. She's been talking crazy, asking where the hell have I been. The sun came up on me.
Omak, show us your catch.
Saya terap persedekan atas murah. Apa saya kau mengapa lah?
Don't be the only one crying. The next time I pop a bottle of bubbly, I'll make sure you're right here with me. I'll pack you full. You can hold the remote control. If this ever gets old, we can grab a bottle and go for a stroll. 'Cause I take a sip or two and I take 2 more. 'Cause I really like to party on the weekends, throw some back with my friends. Got a little money, hope we make it through the times I'm with my lady. She's been talking crazy, asking where the hell have I been. The sun came up on me again. The sun came up on me and I take a sip or two and I take 2 more. 'Cause I really like to party on the weekends, throw some back with my friends. Got a little money, hope we make it through the times I'm with my lady. She's been talking crazy, asking where the hell have I been. The sun came up on me again. Punch out time and I take a look around. It's going down. This clock could take forever. Got my bags, I don't need to go back home. My baby grabbed my phone sip or two, and I'll take two more, 'cause I really like to party on the weekends, throw some back with my friends. Got a little money, hope we make it through the times. I'm with my lady, she's been talking crazy, asking where the hell have I been. The sun came up on me again. The sun came up on me. It's that time, there's still the sun shining. Don't be the only one crying. The next time I pop